the 2013 Chevrolet Traverse. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a refined six-cylinder engine. Comfort and convenience were prioritized within, evidenced by amenities such as one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, a trip computer, front and rear air conditioning, turn signal indicator mirrors, rear wipers, and a split folding rear seat. Third row seats provide an even greater maximum passenger capacity. Chevrolet ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, OnStar, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.